Are you constantly adding more steps to your sales funnel, sending more emails, creating more landing pages, hoping to catch every single lead? If your conversion rates are still flattening, you're not alone. Many small business owners think more complexity means more control. But what if the real secret to a thriving funnel isn't about adding another layer, but about something much deeper? In today's world, customers aren't just looking for a solution, they're looking for certainty. They want a reason to trust you, to commit, and to truly believe you can deliver. This isn't just good marketing, it's the foundation of your success. We're talking about cultivating profound belief in your business funnel. So, what does belief really mean here? It's not just a fuzzy feeling. It's your customer's deep personal conviction that your product or service is the absolute best solution for their problem. It means believing in your value, your integrity, and that investing in you will bring the positive outcome they deserve. Think about it. A customer with unwavering belief will eagerly follow your path. One without it, extra steps just become an inconvenience, or worse, a sign of doubt. But it starts with you. Your own belief as the business owner is the bedrock. If you're not 100% convinced of your offering's transformative power, that hesitation will show. So let's say Sarah, the baker. Her bread was delicious, but her sales were weak. Why? She doubted her own unique craft. Once she truly believed in her sourdough, her confidence radiated. It influenced her descriptions, her passion, her pricing, and customers started believing too. This internal conviction is incredibly potent. Now, how do you find where belief is breaking down? Look beyond clicks. Where do people consistently drop off? Is it after seeing your product page, midway through a form, before a free trial? These are your friction points. Maybe your value proposition isn't clear enough. Maybe your offer is too confusing. Or perhaps you're missing powerful social proof like testimonials. Dig in, ask customers who didn't convert what their hesitations were. Even more sneaky are the unspoken objections. Customers often don't tell you they think your price is too high or question your legitimacy. They just leave quietly. Like a leaky bucket, adding more leads won't help if belief isn't there to hold them. You need to anticipate these silent killers and proactively build belief shields throughout your funnel. This means radical transparency and deep empathy for your audience. Ready to architect assurance? So let's talk about crafting irresistible offers. Your product isn't just features, it's a solution to a deeply felt problem. So don't sell accounting software, sell peace of mind and reclaimed time. Focus on the transformation. A web design agency struggled until they started selling online presence transformation packages, emphasizing leads and simplified management. They sold the outcome and the belief soared. Next, build unshakable trust with social proof. People trust other people. Feature authentic testimonials, detailed case studies, and glowing reviews everywhere. Showcase industry awards, expert endorsements, and don't forget clear guarantees like money-back promises. These signals reduce risk and show you stand behind your product. The more evidence you provide that others have benefited, the easier it is for new prospects to believe. And then, clarity. If your audience can't easily understand what you offer or why it's beneficial, they'll disengage. Avoid jargons. Use the grandma test. Can you explain it to your grandmother so she immediately gets the value? Use clear headlines, bullet points, short paragraphs. Clarity breeds confidence. Confusion breeds doubt. It's also crucial to empower yourself and your team. Become your own best advocate. Use your product. Seek feedback. Continuously improve. Your genuine enthusiasm and deep understanding are infections. For teams, cultivate a culture of confidence. Every touchpoint, from social media to customer service, builds or erodes belief. Share success stories, involve everyone in development. A unified front builds unstoppable trust. Building belief isn't a one and done deal, it's an ongoing commitment. Establish a robust feedback loop. Listen to your customers, evolve based on their input. Surveys, interviews, social media monitoring all help reinforce existing belief and address skepticism. This constant vigilance and authenticity show you're truly committed to the success. And the best part? Belief has a measurable impact on your bottom line. Businesses prioritizing belief sees sustainable growth. Higher belief means higher conversion rates. But it goes further. Believing customers become loyal patrons, making repeat purchases. They become enthusiastic advocates, referring new customers. This is the most powerful marketing there is. You build a loyal community that drives organic growth and significantly improves customer lifetime value. It creates a stable, profitable business model. So, stop chasing endless funnel steps. Start focusing on building unshakable belief both within yourself and in your customers. It's that enduring power that transforms skeptical prospects into loyal advocates. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.